Welcome, router enthusiasts, to the Router Workshop, and today we're going to look at the back end, and we're just about ready to launch. It's been a long haul, but to start with, this is the back end, and let's look at a couple of the features that we've got. The first thing I want to look at is the show all and hide all. So, show all shows all the episodes that are in the 100 series, and you can pick a particular one that you want to watch, and it gives you a description here at the top, and then it runs the show. You can move along if you want to inside of the show and let it show you the show as you need it. You can have full view, or one that's really cool here is the picture-in-picture view, and I'm going to put that on. It gives us a picture-in-picture view. Now what I want to do is I'm going to get on, and I'm working on my Word document. I can watch Router Workshop while working on my Word document. How cool is that? Anyways, that's the tip for today, is we're just showing you a little bit of the back end of the Router Workshop. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. That's a wrap.
When we set that up, it's got a slope at the bottom side.